All right, you guys, it's Dominic from fulltimepressure.com. I want to take you back to the Black Business Bible and teach you how to use the QR code maker and teach you a little bit about the benefits of QR codes. So we click the link to the Black Business Bible. We go over here to the QR code generator. As you can see, you can create a QR code for your website, leave a text message, a virtual business card, send them directly to your email or directly to a text message. Now, for those of you guys who don't know what a QR code is, QR stands for quick response code. They're pixel generated barcode that can be read by a smartphone or other device with a camera or even a QR code reader app. They're often used to quickly and easily provide information or access to a website or other online content. Here's a few ways that you as a business owner can benefit from using QR codes. 1, QR codes can be used to provide customers with quick and easy information about the product and service, such as prices, features, and availability. 2, QR codes can be used to drive traffic to business website or social media pages, allowing customers to learn more about the business and its offering. 3, QR codes can be used to provide access to special deals, discounts, or promotions, encouraging customers to make a purchase. 4, QR codes can be used to streamline a process, such as checking in or ticketing, making it easier and efficient for customers to interact with your business. 5, QR codes can be used to gather customer feedback, conduct surveys, provide valuable insights into the needs and preferences of a business's targeted market. So this is a great tool, for you to have. If you want to put your website, we'll say, the blackbusinessbible.com, generate the QR code. Code pops up over there. Now, you can hit this button right here and it'll copy the QR code for you. Or you can, right click and save the image or copy the image and paste it wherever you want to paste it. While we're here, you can even use Google to create, mess that up. And a QR code isn't just something you can, put your website. You can get real creative with these QR codes and use this free tool to make a lot of money. Excuse me. If you wanted to put, a message, if you wanted to sell, QR codes with messages in them, like an inspiring message. Generate a QR code. You can put these on a bus stop. You can take this and put these on a flyer at the bus stop, on the back of blank business cards. They'll grab people's attention because it's just a blank business card with a QR code. Today would be better if you choose to acknowledge your success. If you want to look better, if you want to look as good as you feel, use this 50% off coupon at www.myhairshop.com. Look as good as you feel, bam. use this 50% off coupon at myhairshop.com. This will make it even saucier. I'm going to teach you guys some marketing stuff right now. You want to create scarcity with this. You don't want them to forget about this. And a good place to leave these are like at the gas station where women are going in that mug with their bonnet on in the morning. Use this 50% off coupon at myhairshop.com. This coupon expires in 48 hours. So book your appointment today. Bam. Just like that. Generate the QR code. Again, right click, save image. Save image is gonna pop up on your screen. I got two screens, so I don't know which screen. There we go. Pop up on your screen, save it. There you go. Easy as that. Go into the file, make it a business card. Like I said, I would shoot it on a blank business card and put it in somewhere high traffic where people are going in a rush, the corner store, the gas station, and it's just a blank card. So it creates curiosity. They scan it, they get a great message, and then a great deal. Drive traffic to your site. Again, you can do your virtual business card. You would put in your name, your email address, company, biz, the boss, street, we'll put something in there like, here we go, town, Michigan, generate your code. Bam. This will give whoever scans your code your whole business, your entire business information. This right here will let somebody automatically send you an email. We'll say at email.com. Learn more. I'd like to learn how your business can help me. And when they scan this code, generate your code, they scan the code on your card or a flyer, and it automatically takes them to their email function and sends this email, and it brings you business. Please help me. They scan the QR code. It automatically sends you a text message. Please help me. This is something you can use for this is a great idea for, put up in gas stations and stuff like that for sex trafficking victims. Wow, you guys just inspired me. I got a huge project to make now. Huge project. Thank you. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to teach. Don't forget to follow fulltimepressure.com on all social media and use the tools at the Black Business Bible and follow the blog on Full Time Pressure. We want to help you grow your business on every level. Peace.